Have you ever wondered how profitable Hamster Kombat could really be? Hey everyone, I'm super excited to dive into today's video with you. There's been a lot of buzz about how much Hamster Kombat could be worth and how you can maximize your profits from it. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So, let's get into it. How can you get the most out of Hamster Kombat, and what can we expect in terms of its price? Imagine you're working hard on completing tasks, bringing in referrals, and collecting points to get the highest rewards. Then, you come across an image showing how the distribution of coins might work. This image outlines how tasks, referrals, and achievements convert into points and then into coins. But is this image reliable? Let's unravel this mystery together. The image we received from one of the moderators illustrates how coins might be distributed based on the points you accumulate from tasks, referrals, and achievements. For example, completing 100 tasks might earn you 100 points, which could then be converted into a certain amount of coins. Similarly, making 50 referrals could earn you additional points. However, this image is just an example of the distribution mechanism and not a definitive guide. Now let's discuss the potential price of the coin. With a total supply of 100 billion coins for Hamster Kombat, compared to Dogecoin's 550 billion coins, it might seem like we're talking about a more promising opportunity. However, the final price of the coin will depend on various factors, including the actual number of active users, their engagement with the airdrop, trading volumes, and future projects supporting the coin. If we assume the market cap of the coin will be $1 billion, and we have 100 billion coins, the price might be around 1 cent per coin. This figure might sound appealing, but achieving this price right after launch isn't guaranteed. Many factors influence the coin's price, and it's not necessarily going to hit this number immediately. One thing to keep in mind is that early-stage prices don't necessarily dictate long-term value. Just because the token starts at 1 cent doesn't mean it won't appreciate over time. Historically, many cryptocurrencies experience price fluctuations, and an initial lower price can sometimes be a stepping stone to greater value. Be realistic with your expectations. If you base your expectations on uncertain criteria, you might end up disappointed. It's crucial to consider the number of coins you will actually receive for your efforts, and remember that prices can fluctuate before they stabilize. In the end, these are just predictions, and the market can change significantly based on new developments. Always be prepared for potential changes in the market. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.